Michelle, thanks for spending a couple of minutes with me. I just wanted to ask you a couple of questions. You came into the office a while ago. Do you remember when you started care?
About 3 years ago.
And do you remember why you ended up coming to see us? What prompted you to use our office?
First, a car accident, back problems, and chronic ear infections.
And you had sinus trouble too, right? I believe. Is that correct?
Mm-hmm.
And so you started a few years ago. How's care worked out for you?
Very well. No more chronic ear infections, and I'm less sick with sinus infections, and my back is a lot better.
And the office has been a good experience for you?
Yes, very helpful. A lot of information always at my visits.
And what have you learned about chiropractic when since you've been care? Not to put you on the spot, but I mean, like, what would you say to somebody if they were to ask you a little bit about chiropractic?
I would say it definitely helps boost your immune system and keeps you a lot more healthy than taking any antibiotics. I don't take any antibiotics anymore. I do a lot of homeopathic remedies instead, just from the information I've learned from the office, and it definitely helps in the long run.
That's great. And your husband started care, right?
Yes.
Jason, and he started with what? Do you remember why he started seeing me?
Back problems.
And how did he end up coming in? Do you remember how he ended up seeing me?
Me.
And how well has he done with care?
Very well. He's able to play golf better. He plays volleyball, which is he can do that a lot better, and he doesn't ever complain of back problems hardly at all anymore.
That volleyball is kind of a big deal, right? That's his passion.
Yep.
And you are expecting, correct? Your first baby.
Yep, correct.
So congratulations on camera here for that. And how's the care worked out through your pregnancy so far?
Very well, since I don't really take antibiotics, and I wouldn't not that I'm pregnant as well.
Mm-hmm.
I've kept it up for being healthy and for back problems, and especially later on. I'm sure I'll have more pain in my back, which will help a great deal.
Yeah, that'll be great when you get into that third try, the fun stage.
Yep.
And how's the staff been for you here as far as the flow and the girls that we work with here in the office? Has that been a good experience for you?
Yes, very much.
And what would you say to, a lot of times people are hesitant to go a chiropractor because maybe, not that they've heard anything bad, but sometimes they just don't know anything about it and it's just kind of an unknown. So what would you say to them if, on camera to try to maybe persuade them about utilizing our services here at the office?
I'd say I would probably say I was hesitant in the beginning, but after going after a while and, seeing all the information and knowledge that I've learned, I would tell them it definitely helps in the long run. I do promote chiropractic care health now with people that I meet, especially with the flu season and everything. I think it's a big benefit to go get adjusted.
Yeah, in fact, now that we're talking here, I forgot your dad sees me.
Yep.
And your brother Jeff.
Yep.
Yeah, and they've done very well with care as well.
Yes.
I want to thank you very much. Obviously, it's been a pleasure to have you as a patient here in the office all these years, so I've very much enjoyed that and the honor and the responsibility of taking good care of you. And I want to thank you just for taking a few minutes out of your day today. I know you're busy to share a little bit of your experience and try to help some other people, so thank you very much.
You're welcome.